This is fantastic! We have found a bone! But the question is, how old is it?
Well, to find out, we should use the radiocarbon dating method, also more commonly known under the name of carbon dating. In fact, carbon dating is like using a ruler. The major difference is that we don't measure the length, but the time. And as the method is called carbon dating, scientists are using this technology by measuring the amount of carbon. When we think about carbon, we directly think about the famous carbon-12, which is made of 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. But the carbon we are looking for the carbon dating is the carbon-14. It is made by 6 electrons, 6 protons and by 8 neutrons. And this little change is very important because it makes the carbon-14 unstable or radioactive. That means that after a certain time it decays in another atom, in our case in nitrogen-14. So, carbon-14 atoms are produced in the Earth's atmosphere. After the cosmic rays out of the universe strike the atmosphere, neutrons are released. And when one neutron hits the nitrogen-14 atom, which is the most common atom in the atmosphere, it gains 1 neutron, but at the same time loses 1 proton. That means that the nitrogen-14 has 6 protons and 8 neutrons, which is a carbon-14. Carbon-14 and carbon-12 atoms are in the atmosphere, and everything that breathes absorbs it.
Ah!
Well, this is very important because carbon dating, also called carbon-14 dating, only works on once living things. For example, for bones or roots. The crucial point is, when somebody or something dies, it stops absorbing carbon. And as carbon-14 is unstable, the amount decreases into nitrogen-14. Scientists call it also the decay rates. For example, we have an object which contains 10,000 carbon-14 atoms. After 5,730 years, also called the half-life of carbon-14, there's only an amount of 5,000 carbon-14 atoms left. It shows us that the method is limited to a window of time that goes up to 50,000 years. In fact, scientists can now determine the age of an object by measuring the ratio of how many carbon-14 atoms are still left in this object compared to the constant amount of carbon-12 in it.
Isn't this amazing? The method is a time machine. It allows us to discover our past.